As you can see, I have all kinds of videos on here. I hope you like them, find them informational, enlightening, and maybe entertaining. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of these by giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thank you.
Forgot to film the first of this, but you've seen it down. And now we got the guy from shadepro gonna fix this for me. Before all of you jump on me and go, you could have done it yourself. No, I couldn't. Not by myself. And I'm here by myself. And he's going to do a good job. We're going to change it from this green to another color. You'll see that in a minute. You can see right up here, maybe. The dang sun's right in the way. Right up at the top. Where's my finger? Right there. It is ripping all along there. It's ripping. You can see the tape up there. Well, it's like duct tape. Once you get a rip started, all you got to do is catch the wind. And you can look at there, you can see the fabric there is peeling right off. That's not a good thing. See if we can zoom in on that. Hard for me to see it. The sun's right there. There you go. You can see the fabric is ripping. And it's ripping all along there. And the reason it's doing that, or did that, is because the guy I bought this from made his own tube covering for it, which protected it from the sun, but the wind beat it back and forth and wore little holes all the way up the top. Now you can see that it's in good shape everywhere else. And I'm going to use that. I'll show you where later. It'll still be good to throw it over something. Want to guess what I'm going to throw it over?
What's up, brother?
All right, let's yeah, that pulley system saves a whole nother guy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, just a little guide plug, something I would not have had. And this is the motor. Big motor. 454, I bet. What the hell's that?
It's a rivet gun. They Milwaukee
No
just
kidding.
came out with it. Yeah. I got
Oh,
tired.
I ain't got one of those things, that's for sure.
Yeah, I got tired of pumping them all the time.
Oh man, yeah, that saves a little time. Rivet gun, I didn't even know they made them. I've been making
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Yep.
Yeah, when you're using your tools, you want to get good tools.
Yeah. That'll make the job faster at least.
Yeah. So now the motor's on. Awning is attached. It's a, what do you call it? Blue? What color? What color?
Pacific Blue.
Pacific Blue. We thought it was going to be lighter, but we're kind of pleased with this because it's going to match the dark blue in the pickup over there. And I think we're going to change the stripe pattern on the whole unit to blue and red to match the pickup. So you're going to need some help there. Look at it.
If possible.
Don't you think he should be paying me? I'm having to help him.
Right.
Okay, let's put this back on the tripod. I ain't getting on no ladders though, so that's okay. Get it back in right there. Okay, what do we need to do? On that
You
side?
just hold that side up so I can put this one in.
All right. Back up to here.
Yeah, just close to the top of the ladder. You don't have to get up or anything.
Yeah.
And then let's twist it.
Okay.
Twist it a little more. There we go.
Oh, I see how that. Oh, I see how that goes. And this side just does the same thing there.
Yeah.
It fits right in there. Take this back off and get a closer up view of that. Easy when you got the right tools and know what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's got a little track that goes in, huh?
Yep.
Slides in just like butter with a hammer.
There we go.
See, I can't even do that. Carpal tunnel, guys. Can't even do that one anymore. There's what she's gonna look like. I think all he's got to do is, what do you got to do left? There ain't got much left.
I just gotta square it up, put the set screws in there, and you're all set.
Good, and here comes the wind. How many more jobs you got to do today? 2 more, you say?
3 more.
3 more. That's your rivet gun again, or?
No, this is just the drill.
Oh yeah, I forgot I put that on that thing. That holds my little shade for the side there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was that a pretty good brand that he had on there?
That was Carefree. I don't think that's too good. I replace them all the time.
Okay.
So I've heard they don't last very long. Because they use a real thin vinyl. They don't use heavy duty vinyl like we do.
Yeah, and that's even heavier. Your
So
lightest weight is even heavier than that one, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is 2 steps up.
2 steps up.
Good.
Alright, so I'll need you to roll it. I'll let you know when to stop.
Okay.
We're going to go almost all the way in.
Oh.
Yep. Yep, that'd be. Matter of fact, it looks straighter than used to. Is that a little longer than the other thing? And it looks down farther.
Yeah, sometimes the Carefree, their regular extension is like 91 inches, ours is 94.
Oh, well, great.
So it could be about 3-4 inches longer.
This will really help out.
Yeah.
Because that other one, I mean, it was
way up there.
yeah.
Did you
And my
know
awning didn't even reach down. Ouch.
You ever know you could drop these down?
Wait.
Yeah. But you gotta really tighten this knob up to get it to stay.
I tightened that knob up one day on both sides and forgot. Rolled it up.
Oh yeah, you cannot do
It
that.
popped and snapped and it was doing all kind. I went, wow!
You gotta make sure you don't do that.
Yeah. Because that would put your awning down there on the ground, your other awning.
Yeah.
Get it down there. Well, we'll learn something every day.
And then let's go ahead and try to roll it up.
Okay. Vicky, you want to roll that up? I'm tired of going up and down them steps. And he
Yeah.
probably wants money too. Trick on there, so we.
Oh, 1 sec. Just give me 1 second.
All right.
It's ready to go in.
Going in?
Yeah.
What surprises me is there's no lock.
Yeah, I know.
Makes me a little nervous.
Yeah, they should incorporate a lock on these.
Well, she's done, guys, and learned some new tricks on that thing, how to adjust it. Didn't know that. So far, I'm pretty pleased with the guys here that did this job. Sorry I didn't get the first of it, but you've seen that awning out before. And I'll take some pictures of this one, how bad off it is.
Well, you can see how she was breaking up and just falling apart. I put tape on it, as you can see there in a couple spots. It lasted another year, but we didn't put it out very often. Now we can put that out all we want and feel good about it. I think we were just really gambling. Hey, subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll try to put stuff on there for you. What was your name?
Dylan.
Dylan.
Dylan Richards. I
And-
work with ShadePro.
All right. You guys check him out. Check them out. We're out of here. Bye.